FixedFloat Crypto Swap Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to FixedFloat are in the description. FixedFloat is a fast, non-custodial crypto swap platform designed for users who want instant, hassle-free exchanges without registration or KYC. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, it offers both fixed and floating rate options, giving users flexibility in how they trade. The fixed rate option locks in the price at the time of the swap, protecting against volatility and ensuring you receive exactly what was quoted. The floating rate option, on the other hand, allows for potential market gains if the rate improves before the transaction is completed. This makes FixedFloat ideal for both risk-averse users and those who want to capitalize on market movements. Using FixedFloat is straightforward. Select the cryptocurrencies you want to exchange, choose your rate type, enter your wallet address, and send the funds. The platform automatically processes the transaction and sends the exchanged crypto directly to your wallet, usually within minutes. There are no account signups, no withdrawal limits, and no hidden fees, making it a great choice for both casual users and high-volume traders. Security is a key advantage of FixedFloat. Since it is non-custodial, it never holds user funds, reducing the risk of hacks. Transactions occur directly on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Additionally, the platform features Lightning Network support, allowing for even faster and cheaper Bitcoin transactions. The clean and intuitive interface makes FixedFloat easy to use, even for beginners. The platform is also API-friendly, making it a solid option for developers and businesses looking to integrate instant crypto swaps. FixedFloat is best suited for those who need quick, secure, and anonymous crypto exchanges with flexible rate options. Whether you're an investor seeking price stability or a trader looking for the best market rates, FixedFloat provides a seamless and reliable experience. Overall, FixedFloat is a trustworthy and efficient crypto swap platform with no KYC, no limits, and instant transactions. Links to FixedFloat are in the description.